Hi there. In this video, we'll talk about the recommended treatment for cold and canker sores with your Luminance RED. A treatment session lasts for 60 seconds, which is auto-programmed into the device's countdown timer. When you press the start button, the 60-second countdown timer will automatically start. A 60-second treatment session delivers around 4.5 joules of energy, which is a clinically proven effective dose. A minimum of 1 treatment per day is suggested, but for maximum efficacy, we suggest applying treatment 2 to 3 times per day, 8 hours apart. More frequent use than 3 times a day is not helpful and is not suggested. Next, let's walk through how to conduct a treatment in 8 simple steps. Step 1. Press the on button. This will power up the device. Step 2. Press the start button. This will start a 60-second treatment session. Step 3. The red light will begin to illuminate, and the green indicator light above the text "Power" will light up. Eye protection isn't necessary, but we don't recommend looking directly at the light or shining it directly into your eyes, as it can be uncomfortable. Step 4. Hold the tip of the head roughly 1/2 inch or 1 centimeter from the area you wish to treat. At this distance, the light will cover a diameter area of approximately 1 inch. If you prefer, you can also touch the tip of the device to the area you wish to treat. Step 5. Once the 60-second treatment is complete, you will hear a beep. The green indicator light will automatically shut off. Step 6. Continue using the device in 60-second sessions until you have applied light to all the desired areas of your skin. Step 7. If you use the device 2 times back-to-back, let the device rest for a few minutes to cool down. This will keep it at a safe temperature and prevent it from overheating. Step 8. Once you're finished using your Luminance RED, press the off button. And you're done. To clean the device, just wipe the tip with an alcohol prep pad and let it air dry. We hope you enjoy using your Luminance RED.